Hi traders, this is Mikael Furusjö from beststrategiesfortrading.com. Today I'm preparing for the US market of the 7th of November 2013. I'm only looking at stocks with an average daily turnover of 10 million or more for the US market. And what I'm looking at is key level for price action coming from peaks or troughs or trend lines or the 200 daily moving average. I can give you some example here from the SPY, the S&P 500 tracking ETF. This is an example of a price action move, a retrace from the former peaks of 2000. When it comes up to that level, it quickly turns around and goes the other way, down in this case. It could also be a trend line. This is a perfect example of a trend line where you have two troughs and then connecting to a third trough it bounces and go the other way. It could also be the 200 moving average. We can have an example of here, here, here and so on, where the price comes into that level, it turns around and goes the other way around. Okay, let's take a look at some charts for today. First chart is waist connection. This level is coming from the 40 even number. 40 even number is very close to the 200 moving average, and the price is coming down quite quickly at the moment. So that's my level. Take a look if we have any earnings coming for waist connection, VCN, because you don't want to take a trade one day and next day you have an earnings release after the bell, and then the opening will make that you have a 5 or 10% loss. Okay, no earnings for VCN. Next chart is X-ray. Here I'm taking the pivot from 2007, and we have 47.84 is the level. X-ray, have any earnings? No earnings for X-ray. Next chart, Comerica CMA, and we have a pivot here at 45.84. This is the level I want to use. A CMA, any earnings? No, not until January. Next chart is FSL, and here we got a trend line connecting that trough to this trough, and we got the line coming in at around 14 and 53 is the level. FSL, any earnings? No, not any earnings on FSL. Next chart, Coles Corporation, we got some pivots, and the highest pivot from 2009 is at 56, 60 and 89. KSS, any earnings? November 14th, that's exactly a week away, so this might be the last, or maybe tomorrow the last day I'm gonna have this order open. Next, Southwest Airlines. We got this double pivot at 1820. This is the level, very close yesterday. Hopefully gonna come up, touch it, and then turn around and go down in our way. And earnings for LUV. No, not any earnings. Knee source is this pivot from 98. The exact level is 33.75. Any earnings? No earnings for knee sources. Okay, next one. This one is looking at this minor pivot, but it's still a pivot and it is visible. It's at 45.98. 45.98. This pivot, this might not seem outstanding, but on the other side we have a massive surge in the price for the last month for NYSE Euronext. Any earnings? Check the ticker NYX. No earnings in the near future. Old Republic got this pivot and this high 1725 from 2008, very close at the moment. Any earnings tomorrow for Ori, Old Republic? No, nothing in January. SLG, we got this pivot here from 2008. It's 101.07. SLG, check for earnings. No upcoming event. Next chart we're going to look at is Soho, and then you can change to daily. And here we got the 200 moving average, very close to even number 60, symbolic number, and also this trough from August this year. I choose to pick my level at the symbolic number of 60. So, any earnings coming up? Not until February. Okay, next chart. Okay, we don't have any more chart. So this was the levels. I have about Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 limit orders for the US markets open at the moment, and this is the level: CMA 4584, FSL 1453, KSS 6089, LUV 1820, NEO Resources 3375, Euronext 4598, Ori 1725, SLG 101 and 7 cents, Soho 60 symbolic number, WCN 40 symbolic number, X-ray 47.84. So that's my level. Remember, 3 of these are buy levels and the rest are sell levels, short selling levels. Remember, this is my personal levels. I'm going to use them. They fit for me and my trading style, but remember, every type of trading with financial instruments is combined with some sort of risk. So this is only for my own opinion, my personal use. I present these levels. So take care and happy trading.